Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off and disable filter all commands feature on TikTok app. So before I start, I'm going to tell you what is the filter or comments feature. It is a feature that is designed to help users manage and moderate comments on their videos, and this feature allows creators to automatically hide all comments on their videos, giving them more control over the conversation and reducing the potential for negative or harmful interactions. So unless you approve them, the comments on your video will not be shown or visible to other user. So you need to approve them so that the comments will show up on your TikTok video. So using this feature can help you to create a more positive environment on your TikTok profile, especially if you are dealing with a large volume of comments or facing negative interactions. But what if you want to turn off that feature because you don't want to filter all of your comments? So this is how you can do it. You can open your TikTok apps, of course. Then in here, to find the settings, you can just go to your profile and then find the settings on and privacy by clicking on these three lines icon at the top until they show up. Now just go to the settings and privacy and find the command settings. So you can go to this privacy again, and under the privacy you can find interactions section in here at the bottom. So just scroll down and you'll find commands, this one's right here. So as you guys can see here, the filter or command feature on my TikTok is on. So to turn it off, you can just click on this doodle until it turns to gray. So the recent comments on your video will be hidden unless you approve them. You can see that it will filter all of commands leave by the other user on my videos. So if you want to change it, you want to turn it off or disable it, just click on this doodle, and just like that the settings will be updated, and now all of the commands will be shown on your videos. And so that's all for me. I hope this simple TikTok tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. You can also leave a comment if you still have questions, and don't forget to click on the thanks button and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.